Hey guys, it's Alex, back with another video, and today we're going to be going over my desk setup for 2020. So we haven't actually done a desk setup tour in like 2 years, since 2018. So here we go. So I actually haven't showed it off with this desk. Actually, what's a little different is I still am using a Mac. I edit all my videos on my MacBook Pro now. My iMac is somewhere else. I'm using it for like server and stuff. I'm just using it to put all like files on and stuff. Pretty pointless, I know. So I'm actually using a custom built gaming PC that I just built recently while on quarantine. So here it is. It's rocking an AMD Ryzen 3700X 8-core 3.6 gigahertz with a max boost of 4.4. And so this is my processor I'm using. Now I don't have anything crazy, like no water cooling yet. I mean, I will add that down the line. I got the Corsair Vengeance Pro DDR4 RAM sticks. I've got a 2060. I got an RTX 2060 graphics card. I've got a ROG Crosshair V3 motherboard, and I've got an NZXT H510 case. So it's a pretty nice minimalistic case, but I got those RGBs in there, just showing off a little bit of color. It gives it a little pop. I like RGBs. I think that looks good. So yeah, that is pretty much that. So over here, I've got my LG ultrawide. This is a 34-inch ultrawide, and it's really great. I mean, yeah, it's not the best monitor to have for gaming, but like, this is a really great monitor. I really like ultrawides. Ultrawides have been my favorite for a while, and now that I finally have one, I see what the craze is about ultrawides, why everyone loves ultrawides so much. Now, for my mouse and keyboard, I'm rocking the glorious Model O PC gaming race mouse. It's the white one with RGBs. It looks really good. It actually has its own software, so you can actually control it all in its software. And for my keyboard, I've got the Razer Huntsman Elite. This keyboard's awesome. That hand rest makes it really comfortable. And I've got my AirPods Pros. I've got my Apple HomePod. So over here, I've got just a little charger where I have like phones, my Apple Watch, just old iPhones. I got my MacBook Pro here charging, and I've just got some extra stuff from my PC build. So overall, that's pretty much what I have over there. So not much. And now for my desk chair, I have the Herman Miller Sail by Herman Miller. Well, Herman Miller Sail. There's no point in me adding that. This is a really comfortable, ergonomic chair. I picked this up myself. I'm not being sponsored. This is a really comfortable chair. I overall, for sitting long hours at this desk, it's really comfortable, and it's honestly one of the best desk chairs I've ever sat in, and it's definitely something I recommend. So that is pretty much it for this desk setup tour for 2020. Not much, but a lot has changed, so I decided to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.